Oh, did you come with me?
And that goes into the neighborhood. But a lot of people use
50 cents each.
main one for each one of them.
I got 29.
How many's left in the box?
Probably another 10 or 15 maybe. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So you counted them, and so how much is there?
There's 12 left in here.
12?
No, there's 29, I believe. You might want to recount. I might have miscounted them.
I trusted you, and here you do this to me. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just doing this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Take them all for 15. I don't know if you want them or not, but if you do, take them all for 15.
Sure, why not?
It's easier for me and easier for you.
Just take the whole box?
Yeah, absolutely.
You don't want the box back?
No, you can take the whole box.
I'll take them all then. Let me look around some more. I'm sure there's something else I need.
Get all those. Probably pick a few. I don't have it there. Teddy, come here. Teddy. Teddy. Thank you. Stay. Teddy.
No, he's not hurt.
Teddy. Now.
Just being a puppy, huh? I got puppies in the car. He's probably sniffing of them.
He doesn't bite. He's just annoying. Teddy, we know you like him. Your tail's wiggling. Teddy, you want to go in? Stay. Stay. Thank you.
I know, anytime that anybody comes over, whether it's somebody delivering something.
Hello. I'm good. So I'm
Okay.
still gonna. How much for this game? Do you know?
We'll do $1.
Make sure it's in there.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I made
I've
sure
bought
too.
a good handful of games before. That's,
My niece brought it. You know, we bought a DVD at one garage sale and it wasn't in there and we didn't check.
yeah. I've done that with video games. I've done that with DVDs,
Yeah, you
with
learn real
computer
quick
games. Yeah.
to look
I'll get home
before
and
you
like I'll start opening everything up and
You're like, wait.
yeah.
Well,
Good. Is she coming? So I got this stack of stuff.
That's okay. I have change.
Here, you know what? I got 50 cents. I'll pay for it.
You have $5 too?
Yeah, we went garage selling all day.
I tell you
I got
what.
hers.
And y'all still have money left?
I gave them
Good.
5 each, and they didn't hardly spend anything. Well, she got an extra $1 for doing something extra yesterday. She spent that $1, and that's all she spent all day. Usually it's like, can I get this? Can I get this? But I give them their own money and say, this is what you get, and whatever you have left over, you can keep at the end. But that's it, you know.
Well, that's a
So,
good learning
they got-
experience.
They got their own money, and they didn't spend any of it.
That's excellent.
All right, what's up, everybody? Done with the garage sales for this weekend. Let's go over everything that we got. Start with this bag. This is a WD My Cloud personal storage cloud. It's 4 tetrabytes. I paid $10 for it. I didn't try to talk her down. It has everything in there, paperwork, everything, all the cords and everything. The lady said that it does work. Hopefully it does. These are quite expensive, and I think used I probably get about $100 out of it. Next, exploding kittens. I got this for family. I think I paid $2 for this, so that's gonna go on my game shelf. Same with this. This was $1. This was brand new and still in the box. All the cards are still wrapped up. So is this. All the pieces are still in plastic and wrapped up. But I paid $1 for that. It's gonna go on our game shelf. I like to keep games on the game shelf. Have a good variety of them for kids and whatever. This thing, I got this at a church sale. It looks like it's all in there. I thought it was worth a little more than it is. I kind of looked it up. Probably a good $20, $30. I paid $20 for everything at the church sale, so this was in a bundle deal. Next, this was also at the church sale. I just grabbed it. Probably gonna let one of my younger daughters likes to play video games, and we just buy random video games and play them. Packaging's a little tore up, but okay for $1. This next box, this is a box of modems. I know some of these Linksys modems, which this one is a Linksys, and some Motorola modems are worth a little bit. I did look all these up after I bought them. I paid $10 for the whole box. This was a bad buy on my part. This is a Vonage one. Those aren't really ever worth anything. I didn't realize this is also a Vonage one, this Motorola, until after I got it home. There's another off-brand modem, and then the Linksys. I think the Linksys might be worth $10 or $15. The rest of them aren't really worth hardly anything at all. This was also at the church garage sale. It's a little dirty, has some Velcro things on the top. It was $5, which was part of the $20 that I paid for everything. It is a Pioneer CTW 404R dual cassette thing. They did test it to power on. Other than that, I gotta test it, make sure that everything works on it. But it did power on, so that's good. Good for a start. And then the last thing, I think this was 50 cents. I got this for my own self. It's for cleaning iPads and tablet screens. I'm going to see if it works on my laptop, because my laptop is a touch screen, so I think it probably will. But that's for me. Next, I paid $1.50 each for these, but I'm keeping these for myself also. I'll use a keyboard on my laptop sometimes. Also, my kids' computers, they always randomly need, this one's brand new, they always randomly need a keyboard because they'll spill something in there or something. So these I'll put up for my own self. This one, I think this is the same place I got the Exploding Kittens game. I think it was $2.50 for each, because I think I paid $5 for both of them. It does have a dirt cheap sticker on it, but I think this is about $20, $25. So not too bad. Let's see. Got this. This was $1. It doesn't have any of the paperwork, but I did look, and it has the disc, and the disc looks like brand new. I didn't look it up yet, but $1 Xbox One game. I went ahead and bought it. 2 of these. These were $2 each. They're compactor bags. If you look some of these up, I think these are good ones. I think these are probably about $25–30 a bag, and I've got 2 of them. I paid $2 a piece for those. It's not too bad. This thing was $1. I'm probably gonna keep this for myself. It's a tracker for your keys, and it works with your phone, Bluetooth, I believe. Yeah. So I'm gonna put that on my keys. I did open it up and look at it. It's all in there. This, I don't know anything about this. It was $1 also, so I grabbed it. It's like to put stuff on your TV from your phone or your tablet. I don't know. I don't know if it's worth anything. If not, one of my daughters has a TV. I think that she might be able to use her phone with this and the TV to make it go onto her TV. We'll see, but $1. This was at the garage sale. There was a lot of tools at. Everything was pretty high priced, in my opinion. There wasn't a price on this, and the guy who priced stuff wasn't there at the moment. But I asked the lady, and she wasn't sure, so she said like $3. I kind of looked these up after I got home. I think I seen some on like Amazon. None really on eBay. What it is, it's a Starrett diamond tile drill kit. Actually, no, I take that back. I've seen one on eBay for like $55. And I think Amazon and Walmart and stuff like that had similar prices when I Googled it. So I'll probably put it up for $50, see if it sells. But I paid $3 for it, so I can sell it for less than that and still make quite a bit of money. This, paid $1 for this. I don't know if it works yet. Some of these are still pretty good. Has the power cord. I did look in the battery compartment, and it's clean. Looks good in there. So hopefully it works. I think probably $20–30 for this thing. It might take a little bit to sell though. And what else? Also for my kids. They have a computer. I'm going to put this one on. It's just a USB mouse, Microsoft. Not bad. This one was also church sale. Oh. This is an Optimus SCT-86 stereo cassette tape deck. I don't think it's worth a whole lot, but it did power on. I figured I'd give it a try and try to sell it. Alright, let's see. And everything else, this is just hats, and these were 50 cents a piece. I picked out 20 something of them. I think I had 29 picked out at the garage sale, and there was like 10 or 15 left in here, and she's like, just give me $15 for the whole box. So I went ahead and bought the whole box. I'm not gonna show you all of them. A lot of them are Pennzoil racing hats, and most of them look like they've never been worn. Yeah, most of them are Pennzoil racing of some sort. I think I've seen a few Valvoline racing or something. Here's a Denver Royal Purple, and there's a couple of Harley Davidson ones in here. That was a little dusty, but yeah, just a good selection of Pennzoil hats. Walt Disney World hat, but oh, there's a BMW hat, Mobile One hat. So most of them are racing hats. I probably won't make a ton off of any of them, but I mean, for the price, I'll throw them all up there, make a little bit off of them. And that is it. This was only on Friday. I had other stuff to do on Saturday most of the days, so, and today is Sunday already. I'm just not getting around to looking at all this stuff. But that's it. Well, hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.